What's up YouTube? Today we have a pair of Jordan 1 lows, and in this tutorial you will learn how to properly give these Jordans a deep clean. You will also learn how to unyellow the midsole, and most importantly you will learn how to rejuvenate the suede on the toe cap. And this video will start right now. Okay guys, the first thing I like to do is make sure the sneaker doesn't have permanent damages, such as burns, cuts, super deep scratches, or gum on the suede, whatever the case may be for you in this situation. Now the reason behind this is you don't want to waste your time trying to restore a sneaker that just can't physically be fixed. The next step will be to insert your shoe trees. Now if you don't own a pair of shoe trees, that is cool. You could use old t-shirts, rags, bags, rolled up socks, whatever you have at your disposal. Once you inserted your shoe tree, grab your soft brush and start cleaning.
1, 2, 3, come on!
The next brush we're going to be using is the medium bristle brush. The last brush we're going to be using is the brass bristle brush. For the next step, that's right, we're going to be using toothpicks. They're cheap, they're effective, and to be quite honest, they work wonders. The reason behind this step of cleaning the soles is that the brushes just don't have enough strength to get all the glass and gunk on the bottom of the soles most of the time. So this tip comes in handy. Okay guys, once the pre-treatment is said and done, the next step will be to use the sneaker laundry bag. This is my favorite tool in my arsenal, but if you don't possess this tool, that's cool. Then this part of the video just doesn't apply to you, and you can move on if you choose. Okay, you guys, the stuff you're gonna need in this next step is your sneaker. You're also gonna need saran wrap or plastic wrap. You will also need a brush to spread the bleaching agent, a pair of gloves for safety, and the bleaching agent yourself. Now, make sure you get all this stuff out of your way to make it easier to work with. Now, the first thing you want to do is put on your safety gloves. The reason why we wear safety gloves is, remember guys, we're working with a harmful chemical, and this bleaching agent can and will harm your skin if you leave it on for too long. So always remember, safety first, okay guys? Open up your bleaching agent, and guys, don't be afraid to apply a generous amount of bleaching agent. That shit works best when you just plop it on there, but depending on the material, such as our suede, just be careful not to get too much on the uppers because it can cause problems, especially with suede. Okay guys, once you have your sneaker gently but firmly saran wrapped, you have two options. You could either take the sneaker out in the sun, free and effectively, or you could bring it into your indoor setup if you have one. Now that's what I'll be using today because I have one. So let's go guys to the indoor setup. Alright guys, now we're going to be rejuvenating the suede with mink oil. This stuff works great, and in hand with the soft bristle brush. Now the way you want to use this product is giving it light but even coats all the way through the suede, and don't worry about getting on the leather since it conditions leather very well too. Once you have sprayed light but even coats throughout the sneaker, make sure you brush in one direction only so it doesn't mess up the suede. Now guys, just rinse and repeat these last two steps to get the desired look and effect that you are comfortable with. And once you feel like you got it how you want it, there you go. It's nice and rejuvenated. And there we have it, folks. The suede has been rejuvenated. It is starting to look great. You see how buttery, soft, and black, and the color just came back and popped on the toe cap. It's starting to look good. I'm telling you, this stuff works wonders. Well, YouTube, now it's time for the finished B-roll. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed.
Everybody shake it, baby.